chicken salad, pan-seared salmon, puttanesca, roast herb chicken, at osobuco. Ilan lamang yan sa mga marami naming natikman dito sa bagong cafe and resto na na-discover namin dito sa Cavite na nagsiserve ng continental and Filipino fusion dishes. Paniguradong isa na naman to sa mga dapat nyong masubukan kung naghahanap kayo ng food trip destination with a good ambience, service, and food selection. At ito nga yung Verdance Cafe and Kitchen na located along Governor's Drive, Barangay Sabang, Naik, Cavite. Along the road lang to kaya mabilis nyo lang din to makikita, and they have ample parking space din para sa may mga dalang sasakyan. Pagpasok nyo naman, you'll be greeted with their simple yet modern contemporary design ng kanilang interior na talaga namang cozy and relaxing yung vibe. And as mentioned, bukod sa resto, may cafe na rin sila dito that serves quality beverages, kaya naman hindi na kayo lalayo pa. May function room na rin sila dito that's best for corporate meetings and special events or occasions. And kung nature lover naman kayo, for sure may enjoy nyo dito sa kanilang alfresco area. And sakto nga to for occasions such as intimate outdoor wedding. And syempre, bukod sa magandang place, susubok din tayo ng ilan sa kanilang mga menu items. Unahin na nga natin dito sa kanilang pumpkin soup na rich and thick yung consistency. And this is actually made of grilled squash, and for me, saktong-sakto lang yung lasa niya that will open your appetite. For salads naman, they have chicken salad, fresh yung mga veggies with its flavorful and savory dressing. Pero yung nag-stand out talaga sa akin at yung nasarapan ako is yung kanilang Verdance salad. Sweet and tangy nung dressing, really refreshing and guilt-free kainin. Try nyo to, promise. For sandwiches naman, we had their Bill's Clubhouse for only 280 pesos. Sulit na to, as in you can see naman, hindi tinipid sa palaman. May kasama na nga rin yung sweet potato fries on the side. Yung Monte Cristo sandwich nila, ang sarap din, may kasama ng fruits na side, tapos yung marmalade jam and butter for spreads. Naghahalo yung alat at linamnam ng cheese, ham and butter dun sa sweetness ng French toast with a bit of sweet and citrusy taste na galing sa marmalade. Kung magawi nga kayo dito, don't miss this out. Itong Verdance burger naman, napaka-juicy ng patty. Homemade nila yan, may lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and grilled cheese na yan. Bukod nga sa masarap na patty, yung nagdala talaga dito is yung caramelized onion at yung quality ng buns na I think brioche bun yung gamit nila. For pasta naman, we had their puttanesca with its rich and tomatoey sauce. And yes, ay tsura palang Italian style po ang lasa niyan, so expect nyo na maasim-asim and best to partner with their bread on the side. Pan-seared salmon naman, perfectly cooked yung salmon at hindi malangsa. Yan yung pinaka nag-elevate talaga sa dish na to is yung pinaka white sauce na nakikita nyo, which is they called Florentine sauce. May pagka-creamy at spinach taste yung lasa, may kasama na ding sauté veggies na sides yan at seafood pasta which was really good. They also have the roast herb chicken with pepper herb sauce, served with vegetables on the side and choices of fries, mashed potato, or sweet potato fries. First time ko lang natikman yung ganitong klase ng roasting, and I'd say this is one of their unique dishes. Nagtry nga rin kami nitong kanilang pork tomahawk steak, although I think medyo na overdone lang yung meat, pero pagdating sa flavor, solid to, lalo na with its red wine and onion reduction sauce. May sides na rin na veggies yan and options kung rice, mashed potato, and sweet potato fries. Another unique dish na dito ko nga lang din natikman itong kanilang osobuco. Traditional Italian dish to, made of braised beef shanks cooked in tomato-based sauce, served with risotto rice. Ang laki ng serving nito, sobrang lambot ng beef, and yung lasa niya is a mix of pochero and na fritada na pinasosyal. Tapos yung risotto rice pa lang talagang malasa na, literal na kanin pa lang, ulam na. May crispy pata nga rin sila dito, served with achara, soy sauce, and yung special Verdance sauce. Marinated nga raw to sa kanilang special solutions bago i-deep fry, and for me, bagay na bagay itong kanilang Verdance special sauce, may pagka-sweet and slightly peanutty flavor. Pambato nga rin dito yung mga desserts nila tulad nitong tiramisu na saktong-sakto lang yung tapang ng coffee, kaya naman pati kids ay nagustuhan. Cream brulee na sobrang sarap dahil sa custardy texture and caramelized sugar, and actually for me, napaka-balance lang din ang tamis nito. We also tried some of their drinks, and masarap lahat ng fruit shakes nila dito since fresh fruits talaga yung gamit nila. Okay nga rin yung mga coffee drinks nila dito. I tried their coffee jelly which was really good. May mga hot drinks nga rin pala sila dito like Vietnamese latte and white mocha. May own recipe and ratio kasi sila dito ng mga timpla, and they use mix of Arabica and Robusta coffee beans. And on top of that, yung nagmamanage at nag-ooperate dito sa Verdance was also in F&B industry for so many years, kaya talagang masasabi mang hotel quality pagdating sa kanilang service, ambience, food and drinks.
Hello, Caviteños! Good afternoon! Welcome to our restaurant, Verdance Cafe and Kitchen. We're inviting you to come here and try our food. It's a fusion of continental and Filipino food. We have good coffee, a place to stay, so you can just sit back here, relax, and we'll do all the rest.